Hey everybody, and welcome to the intro to the ketogenic diet and how to lose 20 plus pounds course. This is just going to be an intro or an overview of the ketogenic diet and what's going to be in the rest of this course. So, you may have seen the ketogenic diet, or keto for short, around lately and wondered, what is the ketogenic diet? How do I do it? What can I eat on the ketogenic diet? How does the ketogenic diet work? And how do I set up a program that will work for myself? I'm going to go over all of these questions in the next few sections of this course. And we're just going to go ahead and get a brief overview of what the ketogenic diet is. So, the ketogenic diet is a way of eating or a diet that cuts out almost all carbs from your diet, but it has you eating relatively high amounts of fat and relatively moderate amounts of protein to get your body to use your fat stores as energy instead of using glucose as energy. Now, that may sound a little confusing or a little complex, but we're gonna get into that pretty soon. So let's not get ahead of ourselves, and I will see you in the next section.